Standard 3rd, Environmental Studies, Lesson number 25, Changes in our surrounding. In last session, we have seen some changes in our surrounding. Let us discuss more changes. Birds are the first to sense the end of the night. We must have heard birds started chirping as the sun rises. And they sense the end of the night. Their chirping begins from early dawn. And if there is a rooster nearby, it is a rooster, you can hear it crow. Birds to begin to bloom. Birds to begin to blossom gradually. Look at these birds. Birds are blossoming. The petals start unfolding. Slowly, the petals start unfolding. The flowers have sweet nectar. Bees come to collect it. Butterflies and other insects also start hovering around the flowers because nectar is there in that flower, and they will collect nectar from that flower. As the days start, people around us set themselves to work. We also get ready to go to school. People started working and we also go to school. Cowhead take cows and buffaloes out to graze. Once their stomachs are full, they sit in a quiet place and ruminate. See here, cowhead. They take cattle to graze, and after grazing, the cows and buffaloes sit in one place and they start ruminating. And what is rumination? Rumination means some animals graze until their stomachs are full. Later, they bring back the swallowed food into the mouth again, a little at a time, and have it and chew it, and they chew the food. They keep on chewing the food in their mouth. Then they swallow the chewed food a second time. So when they chew the food second time, this is called rumination or chewing cud. Rumination helps them to digest the food properly. Means we should digest for digesting. They chew the food properly. Even we are told to chew the food properly so that we could digest the food. And the animals, cows and buffaloes are animals that ruminate. See here, look at this picture, sitting and chewing the food. In the evening, the cattle return to the sheds. Flocks of birds return to the nest. We return home from school. Evening time, we return home from school. But some nocturnal animals set out to search for food after the sunset, and they are moth, glowworm, cricket. They come out during the night time. Nocturnal means what? Some animals sleep during the day. They search for food at night. Such animals are called nocturnal animals. Tiger, bats and owls. Tiger, bats and owls are also nocturnal animals. Raat Rani, Queen of the Night, and Rajnigandha. The English name of Rajnigandha is tuberose, are flowers that bloom at night. The moon rises at different times every night. Every night the moon rises at different times. And if you search for the moon at a fixed time every evening, you will see it in different places. The shape of the moon also changes every day. The day the moon looks completely round. Here the moon is completely round, and this day is called full moon day. For 15 days after that, it appears to become smaller and smaller. From the full moon, it appears to become smaller and smaller and smaller. On the 15th day, it cannot be seen at all. This is called the day of the new moon or the new moon day. After the day of the new moon, the moon appears to grow bigger and bigger. Look here, bigger, 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 bigger. From the new moon day, the moon appears to go bigger and bigger for 15 days and is completely round again on the day of the next full moon day. The different shapes of the moon that we can see every day are called the phases of the moon. Full moon, and slowly it becomes smaller, 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 smaller. And when we are not able to see the moon, that day is called new moon day. Always remember, all living things are connected to the cycle of day and night. Therefore, there must be regularity in your daily routine. So, we have learned from this lesson, even we have to be regular in our daily routine. Thank you.